To solve a geometry problem like this, it is important to look carefully at the figure. This will enable one to know the kinds of figures that are actually interacting and enhance the kind of theorems, geometry theorems that will actually be put together in order to get the problem solved. Now, in this case, it is obvious that LKTS is a cyclic quadrilateral. So the theorems on cyclic quadrilaterals, like opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, are supplementary, and exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the opposite interior angles. They can be very handful in getting this solved. In addition to having a cyclic quadrilateral, we can also see that we've got several triangles. We've got LMK as a triangle. There is MST as another triangle. Equally, we have triangles LSN and triangle KTN. Theorems that have to do with triangles, like angle sum of a triangle, like the exterior angle of a triangle, they also will be very helpful in getting this problem solved. Hello and welcome to this channel today. Well, we're solving this for X, P, and Q, given the information that P plus Q is 84 degrees and the ratio of the angle X to angle P is 3:2. Join me, make sure you watch to the end as I bring you the solution. And perhaps you're here to subscribe. This is an opportunity to do that. Make sure you click the notification bell as well, so that you get updated about the next and the next and the next math tutorial. Now, the first thing that we shall be doing here is to see that angle LST, this angle, is actually an exterior angle to the triangle SMT, and it will definitely be equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles, that's angle Q and angle X. So we put that in writing as follows. Angle LST is equal to angle STM plus angle SMT. The reason for that is because it is the exterior angle of the triangle SMT. And this angle LST is the sum of X and Q, which I can label equation 1. Similarly, a look at triangle KTN. We see that angle LKT is also an exterior angle of that triangle, and that would be equal to the sum of X and P by the same reason. So angle LKT is equal to the sum of angle KTN and angle KNT, and that is the sum of X and P. That can be said to be the second equation. Another thing to consider here is that the angles LST and angle LKT, they are supplementary angles, being opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral KLST. And this simply means that X plus Q for LST added to X plus P for LKT must give 180 degrees. Grouping the like terms here, we've got 2X plus P plus Q, and that's equal to 180 degrees. However, from the problem, we have been given that the sum of the angles P and Q is 84. So we're going to plug in 84 for P plus Q, which means that 2X plus 84 is actually the 180 degrees. Then 84 is subtracted from both sides, so that 2X is 96 degrees. And dividing both sides by 2, the value of the angle X is 48 degrees. So X has been obtained. To get P, we're going to use the fact that the ratio of the angle x to P is given to us as 3 to 2. Therefore, angle x, which is 48 degrees, the ratio of that to that of P is 3 to 2. And since ratios can be turned to fractions, we've got 48 degrees over P to be equal to 3 over 2. And finally, for angle Q, we have earlier that the sum of the angles P and Q is 84 degrees. Hence, Q is going to be 84 minus the value of the angle P just obtained, and that's 32. So angle Q is 52 degrees. Now we have the values of angles X, P, and Q. X is 48 degrees, P is 32 degrees, and Q is 52 degrees. Well, I believe you enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to post your questions, comments, thoughts, recommendations in the comment section, or you can forward them to the email attached to the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like it, share it, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so right now. Click on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any update from this channel. Bye.